We're 3 days away from the premiere, and tension is also mounting among the musicians. Marion has been attending collective rehearsals less. She's been concentrating on her individual work to give herself the best chance of winning a place in the Strasbourg Opera competition. She has just learned that she has been accepted, but these absences have weighed on the group's work. So some musicians have decided to rehearse without her. And she takes offense. Even worse, this morning, she decides to leave the orchestra.
And you understand what happened? Nothing. It's a little human relations problem of no interest. I'll talk to Miriam about it again.
You're going to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her. It seems we have a problem. Marion does not want to do Owen Wingrave because it seems there are human relation issues between her and her colleagues.
At least she said colleagues. Go ahead.
Mark, it's a big problem. And my problem is that she's not feeling well, so she won't do the production.
What happened is that yesterday Anne, Annabelle, and I had coffee, and we realized we had half an hour to spare to do a little reading of Britain. We decided on a whim. Marion walked by and sent a text message. "Since when do you rehearse without me? I would have liked to have been there." I said, "Marion, I never see you at the opera, or elsewhere for that matter. I never run into you, so I'm not going to write just to say what I'm doing."
I'm saying for her to feel better, we have to make an effort to make her feel better, please.
If it works both ways, I agree. The thing is, I've no intention of being a social worker.
Well, you're going to have to.
It's always easier to blame others. I've been no meaner to her than the others. It's okay. I've got it. Thanks.
See you.
Okay, see ya.
Okay. I do not know what exactly happened, but in any case, Marion doesn't feel good in the group. So I'm asking you, please, be as kind as you can. Or at least try...
This is the world turned upside down.
What? Stay professional with each other and good-natured.
Guillaume told us you must be... basically make an effort to be nice with her. But I've never experienced anything like this. Normally the problem is that I'd have said, okay, fine, we won't play together. It's not worth it. But here we can't. When you're upset and when things are not as you want them, it saps your energy, so I'm tired.
Miriam Mazuzzi summons the group of musicians. It's too late to replace Marion. She alone can play Owen Wingrave. So for scheduling rehearsals, it's going okay between you? Gonna work it out? We're doing what we can.
We're handling the situation. It's true there's been a bit of tension the past 3 days, but each of us must do what they can so the 9 of us get it done.
It's always the same question in a group. What are the individual interests and what is the group interest? Obviously, both must be considered, but the individual must also comply with the group interest. So if the group needs rehearsals, everyone must make an effort to do the rehearsals. It's a balance, but it's also the group interest that prevails. Always. It's true we need to talk. And personally, I trust everyone. I'm not worried about that. I think we're smart enough to communicate with one another. In any case, it's necessary if we want to have a good year together with the right atmosphere. See you tonight.
There's not just one leader. We're all responsible. When something doesn't work, there are 2 people involved. Otherwise, we work alone and all goes well. This experience also shows us how things can go wrong. So next time we're faced with this, we'll think, last time I acted like that, now I won't make the same mistake. I'll change the angle. I'll talk differently. Talk more or less. I'll say things differently. That's how you construct yourself.
The big moment has finally arrived, the premiere of Owen Wingrave. Marion is there, alongside other musicians. Tonight, the young artists are taking an important step in their training at the Academy. For the first time, they will interpret not only excerpts, but an opera in its entirety. Jean-François's father and his teacher are present. They wouldn't have missed the premiere for anything in the world.
We'll call you after. It's his mother. So we should have 2 invitations in the name of Jean-François Marat. He's the screamer of the troupe.
Yes.
In the auditorium are friends, music lovers, but also teachers and the director of the Paris Opera, Stefan Lissner. All are eager to discover the work of these young people.